A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learn Quran without grammar in lesson number 1A in English language. 3 fatha and 2 fatha words. There are 3 letters in word and each letter has fatha on it. 3 fatha words mean he did. Examples are kafara, shakara, etc. 2 fatha words are words which have 3 letters. It means 3 letter words which first and third letter has fatha on it, and second or mid letter has kasra or dhamma on it. Examples are sam'a, he listened, hasiba, he thought. 4 letter word, there is jazm or sukoon on second letter, while first and last 2 letters have fatha on each. It also means he did. And examples are anzara, he warned, anzala, he revealed. These are the examples of 3 fatha and 2 fatha words with English translation. Zakara, he remembered. Fataha, he opened. Sajada, he prostrated. Zalama, he oppressed. Ghafara, he forgave. Shahida, he witnessed. Kataba, he wrote. Samea, he listened. Abada, he worshipped. So on. Subscribe, like and share.